guys, and what's up? It's back here, this GUB with Krishnan. So I'm going to rank all other WC events. First of all, why I'm ranking. Second of all, what is WCA? WCA, I know many of you guys know what is WCA, but still explaining it for sake of learning it. Yeah. So the WCA stands for World Cube Association, which is you should have a profile of it if you wanna go to any competitions nearby. Now, like this happening by the cubicle. It's like a store in USA. So there's like cubing at home and the Monkey League. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. The Monkey League. I always watch his videos of Laser Monkey of Monkey League. But for that also you need a World Cup Association profile. Then only you're going to allow you to go to some competitions also. So why I'm ranking this? Because many YouTubers have already ranked this. So means like for example, let me just tell you. So WCA events. I'm typing it ranking. If I put it, so like it's gonna come like what? All of these people have already ranked the video. So ah, let's put it right in your videos also, right? For example. So yeah, guys. So that's why. And by the way, means for you guys, thanks a lot for 131 subscribers. Means cross 100. That's a pretty good thing for me. So yeah, thanks for that. So that's why I'm ranking also. Now it's like being 1 minute of 2 minutes roughly of full recording. So now let's start with the video. So let's start with a teeny dude known as 2x2. He's gonna go in beach here. Why? Because this teeny dude is very teeny event, and like I can solve this in 3 to 2 seconds. Like that's pretty small event. So that's a bit of problems. Like it has its own pros and cons. Like this is like 2x2's. Every hardware is very good. What do you mean by hardware? Hardware is the brand of cubes. Like if you get a random budget cube also, like Mofang, Jiaoxi, Meilong, Chi D, W, 2x2, all of them are pretty good out of the box. If you set it up, it's like awesome. So yeah, means if you are just this beginner of starting of 2x2, so you may, it doesn't make a big difference if you get a like $15 2x2 or like $1 to $2 2x2. So yes, so the 2x2 goes in the beat here. And now let's move to 3x3. Not 3x3 blind, I don't do it. And guys, if I put something in the F tier, sorry guys if you like those events, because I don't like those events. Please don't get offended. So the title also you can see in the bracket. I've written it's my opinion on all of them. So yeah, now let's move to 3x3. It's not an A tier also. It's like an S tier. It's like the best dude ever, guys. The 3x3, it's like very spectator friendly, very competitor friendly. And like I know the most of the hardware are not good, like Rubik's brand and like the old dollar store. Those all I know they are not good. But but the event is pretty good. Like I have a Melon 3x3. It turns pretty well, pretty cool. If you like set up with lube and tension it, it's like awesome. So yeah, and the event is like very friendly. Right now I average like in about 12 to 13 seconds in 3x3, as you guys know. So if you haven't watched my video, it would link up right here in this corner, right hand side. So yeah, I couldn't show my hands now because I'm screen recording. So that's about the 3x3. Now let's move to clock. Clock goes in F. Nobody likes it. I also don't like it. So if you like clock, I'm sorry. But like you have to turn these dials, but that hurts your hand and like it makes us nerves like this. And this feat is officially removed by WCA. Again, what is WCA? World Cup Association. So it's officially removed. I don't know the reason, but yeah, I don't know. I've heard someone from the WCA website. So yeah, and I'm put it in the F tier because like this feet. No, if you have like a clean cube like GAN XS, and if you put your disgusting feet on it, like imagine how would it smell, how would it look. It's not cool. Okay, let's move to 4x4. Sorry, it's 4 by 4 blind. It's gonna go in F tier because I don't do blind. So yeah, but the real 4 by 4 event I like it a lot, so it's gonna go in the S tier. So I don't want to just talk about this. It's like the 3 by 3 blindies and all of the blind events are gonna go in the F tier. But this is like the worst event ever, I think, because yeah, that's a 4 by 4 blind, so it's gonna go in the F tier. Now, if you move to 3 by 3 blind, it's also gonna go with the F tier. And oh, sorry, I didn't talk about this 4 by 4 why it's going in the S tier, because it's also pretty spectator friendly. Like, it's like if you can, means if you're a master in 4 by 4, you may be able to solve this in 30 to 50, 40 seconds, I may think. Like, Leo Boromeo, he just solves it in 25 seconds and blah 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 blah. Like that, it's completed. But I can solve this in 1 minute and 20 seconds, only 4 by 4, okay? But the 3 by 3 can solve pretty fast, like advanced. So yeah, this 4 by 4, I think it goes in the S tier because it's pretty spectator friendly. If you are solving it in 25 seconds or in like maximum 2 minutes, the spectators may like that event. And competitor friendly also because the two extra steps like centers and edges, and I especially like the step edges. FMC, I'm gonna put it in C tier because this FMC, right? So who's gonna? It's again, it's not spectator friendly at all because it's like who's gonna sit there in one seat and wait till 1 hour and do their best solution, the shortest best solution to solve a 3 by 3 cube, and it takes way too long. Cube. I think Cube is gonna go in the A tier. Oh wait, yeah, this cube is gonna go in the A tier because I've seen the what to say, this how to solve a cube from Z3 cubing. Earlier it was Lego Boy Z3, but now it's like Z3 cubing on his channel. So yeah, so I, and when they do like sledgehammers, it's like R prime L or L prime, so it's pretty cool and it looks pretty awesome when you see it. So yeah, pyramids. It's gonna go in B tier, but if it was like a a good, I'm gonna put it in A good, but it's gonna go in the A tier with skew, but not in S tier because I hate the tips of it. It's like four tips and I don't know, I hate it. So yeah, um, so the pyramid goes in the A tier because I can solve this in like in 5 to 7 seconds, I may say. So it's like pretty spectator friendly and competitor friendly also, but yeah, like people like Timon Kolisinski, they just solve it in 1 to 2 seconds. So yeah, but I don't like these tips, so it's gonna go in not in S tier, it's gonna go in A tier. Now, all of the blindfold events right here. So this 5 blind, who's gonna memorize that? This F tier, it's like getting way too long. So yeah, this, and I just noticed that there is no D tier. So multiplying, it's like 56 something cubes you have to solve. Dozens of, it's like I think it may take 1.5 hours. So yeah. And what is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 by 6. Yeah, this is 7 by 7. Let's start with the 7 by 7. It's gonna go in C tier, 5 by 5 C tier, and 6 by 6 also C tier because all are those big cubes and it takes a lot of time to solve. In my opinion, like the people like Max Park, they solve it in 40 to 30 seconds. So yeah, so these are gonna go in this tier, and I don't know to solve all of them. Square one. Square one is gonna go in B tier. I don't have it, but still, when I see people like Daniel Kornap, aka Derpy Cuber, he like means he's like a world record older in my opinion. No, he's not. Somebody else is like Wade Eagle, something like that. But he's the former world record holder of Square One, Squan, I should say. Many people call it Squan. And like when you turn this R slice and the D slice, it's look pretty satisfying. 100, I think it's gonna go in 18. I can solve the cube 100 in like 50 to 40 seconds, but I just did on one average of 5 like 2 months ago when my channel was not even there. So yeah. Last and definitely not the least, Mega Minx is gonna go in the beach here. So yeah, look at this order. It's like it should be one less. Let's put it in. No, it should be right here. So the mega means it's pretty awesome. It's like 3 by 3 repeated over and over and over and over and again. Means that 3 by 3 it's F12. It's like 12 sides. You're going to repeat the 3 by 3 two times. Six sides for first side, second side, third side, fourth side, fifth side, and sixth side. And the rest of the six sides you can solve with OLL and PLL. So yeah, so if you guys like the video, please go hit that like button. And yeah, see you later. Bye.